Hi, it's Harry Cordiano with Flat Rate Realty, and this afternoon I'm in San Mateo. I got a very affordable 3-bedroom, 1-bath townhome here, and the address is at 1573 Marina Court. It's Unit A. It's right at the crossroads of Highway 92 and 101. Nice open area here. There's additional parking here for the owner. I think it's first come, first serve. You also have covered parking in the back, and I'll take you over there when I'm done with the walkthrough. And it's a nice community, ideally close to pretty much everything around here. You've got Fashion Island close by. You've got the Marina Market over that way off of Hillsdale, Foster City, Whole Foods, pretty much right in the middle of everything. So it's a very convenient location. The layout is 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, as I said before, and the overall square footage is 1,054 square feet of living space. And I'll take you inside. So it's been painted, new flooring put in, 2-story unit, has this huge living room area. Nice thing is the views are not blocked. It's just nice and open in front of this unit, so you get all this additional natural light. There's also storage here. Circuit breakers. And new vinyl flooring was just installed. Good sized dining area. And a decent sized kitchen. At one point it was remodeled with granite counters, new cabinets, double sink, dishwasher. Refrigerator obviously will stay. There's the freezer. And a gas stove. Also has a nice breakfast bar here. So it's just a very nice, convenient floor plan here. Has full-size laundry. The washer and dryer will stay, and then the water heater is tucked back here. And I see it is double strapped. The water, let's see, the dryer is 220. I can tell by the outlet here. And I think for the circuit breaker and 220 outlet would be the hookup for this dryer. So not bad. You have central heat, you have your own water heater, full-size washer dryer, refrigerator will stay. It's ready for sale, ready for move-in. And I'll take you upstairs. So upstairs, all the bedrooms are up here. Bedroom 1. And this one faces the parking, so you can get some views out front here. You have a nice size closet for storage. Bedroom 2, which is in the corner. And same thing. We have a regular closet here. And then bedroom 3, which faces the back patio. I think this might be the largest of the 3 bedrooms. Here's what the views look like out the back. Regular size closet. And then linen closet here. And then 1 bathroom, and it's upstairs. Single vanity and shower over tub. So nice, simple floor plan. 3 bedrooms. For this kind of price is pretty tough to find in San Mateo County right now. Listed at $760,000. And then also to note, you get this huge patio, enclosed patio, and then you have a gated access to the alley behind here to get to parking. HOA does pay for gas, water, and garbage, so that's a big plus. And I'll take you over to the parking and the clubhouse. So then here's the covered spot. Parking stall number 2. And then also to note, additional storage in here. And then the pool and clubhouse. If you want to rent it out for parties or private events or for gatherings. Looks like it has a kitchen and a meeting area, and then also a nice little park enclosure. So you have Lakeshore Park, got this nice beachhead, pathways over to Hillsdale, to the retail area. And you got the baseball park, basketball courts, playground, and a recreational center. It's all across the street from the property that I'm promoting today. So thanks for watching this video for 1573A Marina Court here in San Mateo. My name is Harry Cordiano with Flat Rate Realty. If you have any questions or if you'd like to make an appointment to view this property, feel free to give me a call. My number is 510-506-8686, and thank you for viewing today.